Hi, good morning. How are you all? This is your Prakkash, and from last few days, I cannot be able to put my YouTube video on the correct time. Some of my friends will send me message in Facebook, WhatsApp, and they are keep on asking why you not post your videos from last 2 days. I am posting my videos, but not in the correct time, same like before. Because of the Christmas and the New Year, every industry is very busy now, hotel industry. So I'm bit busy with the work. So because that is the one of the main reason. But however, I am doing videos at night times, and I am trying to post for you, and I am giving some recipes also. So today I am going to give the recipe. It is one of the energetic drink. Anyone can drink this one, especially for the children's, pregnant ladies, and old age peoples above 50, 60. It's very useful. It's an energetic vegetable drink. It is very simple. You can make it in your home itself. And what are the ingredients we are going to use means the 1 beetroot, 1 carrot, 1 small piece of ginger, and coriander leaves, 1 lemon, and finally you can add 1 orange. Mix all together in the blender and make it filter. Add little salt. If someone willing to add some chat masala. This is very good for your body stamina, and it is good for your eyes. If you have throat infection or cold, this is also one of the good remedy for that. And it will give you the more power to your body. You feel energetic. So please try this one, and please tell me your suggestion in comment box. Thank you all. Have a good day. I will give the recipe in the description. Kindly check. Thank you.